Hi, I am Anna. I come from www.ntvforex.com. AUD NZD Price Analysis 4HR confirmatins trigger prospects for buy limit http ntvforex.com news ID CB1F3 4 minutes ago by Ross J. Berlin. The bulls are waiting patiently for a weekly wave 3 to target the 1.11 handle. There is resistance on the 4HR chart which first needs to be penetrated and retested as support. NBSP. The price of NBSP AUD NZD has been a compelling market structure since making a bullish wick on the monthly chart, often mistaken for a bearish candlestick pattern. In fact, the wick represents a weekly correction which would ultimately lead to a wave 3 bullish extension. NBSP. The NBSP conditions would need to be NBSP met to see the bulls get on board within the bullish environment beyond a current resistance structure on the 4-hour time frame. NBSP. The following is a top-down analysis to illustrate the theory of filling the wick and where a long swing trade setup might take place on a break of 4-hour structure monthly chart. The monthly chart offers a wick that could well be filled in considering the price action on the lower time frames as follows. Weekly chart. The weekly chart offers the prospects for a new impulse to the upside that will fill in the monthly wick and exceed the monthly highs to the 1.11 handle. NBSP. From a weekly wave perspective, wave May 3rd already have commenced. However, there is resistance here on the daily chart. A 61.8% Fibonacci reinforces the risk of chasing the bid at this juncture. From a 4-hour perspective, a 1.0970 target forecast from the 0.27 Fib extension of the daily correction comes in below the double bottom lows. This likely means that there can be little hope of a downside extension. For HR confirmations. Meanwhile, the price NBSP has already retested support structure and in the above chart S location of the trend line is above it with a resist which is also bullish. However, bulls need to get above the overhead resistance and there is where the price action should now be monitored from for extra confirmation. NBSP. A break and retest of the structure, that will have turned support, will be satisfactory for entry to target the weekly resistance structure again and onwards to the overall 1.11 forecast. NBSP. 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 Subscribe our channel to receive the news as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.